In this given problem, xn is a sequence of real number and x is any real number, then which of the following is true? Option A says limit xn less than equals to x, then xn is less than equals to x. For this, if we consider xn as 1 upon n, then it tends to 0 or a limit is 0. Consider x equals to 0. Consider x equals to 0 because we are independent to choose what a real number is x. So 1 upon n, all xn's, all xn are always, all xn always greater than 0. But condition says xn is less than equals to x for all n. So option A is wrong. Option B says if limit xn not equals to x, then there exist m and n such that xm less than x less than xn. Again consider sequence xn. Then there is no mn such that xm less than x less than xn. Means between two terms x not lies, or you can consider x as negative number, then between two positive terms there is no negative numbers or -1 is not there. So statement B is again false. So A already discard, B again wrong. Now come to the option C. Limit xn does not exist, then xn has no subsequence converging to x. If we consider alternating positive and negative 1, if we consider alternating positive and negative, then this sequence has two subsequence as 1 1 1 and -1 -1. These two sequences are converging to 1 and -1, but xn or original sequence doesn't converge. So statement C again wrong. Now statement D will be true because other statement has been discarded. If limit of xn is less than x, then xn is less than x for infinitely, not all. Keep remember, not all. How can you say for all? If you consider a sequence 1 plus 1 upon n, 1 plus 1 upon n, then limit of this sequence is 1, then we have infinitely many terms. If limit is xn, so consider x, suppose consider x as 1.001, then there are infinitely many terms of this sequence 1 plus 1 upon n always less than this one, or you can consider 1 plus epsilon. Consider this x as 1 plus epsilon, then infinitely many terms of this sequence always less than this. So statement D is true.